Okay, this is the Purple Prayer Book, and let it be recorded. I am the keeper of it, and these are all the prayer requests, I would say for about 6 years, and there's all kinds of things in here. There it says, let's see, Ethan got his job and is happy. Praising you, Lord, so happy. And over here are all the handwritten, many prayers written here. Just did one the other day for Japan, just because this is a record and God gets the glory. So anyway, that's it. And there's my rug too. Bye. Hope you're having a good day.